In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Sounds and Vibration. Then hit Vibrate here. To mute your device completely and leave only vibrations, select Silent to disable sounds and vibrations, or hit Ring to use the switcher next to Vibrate on Ring, and this way enable or disable haptic feedback when ringtone is on. When you're done with all of that, scroll down and access Haptics section at the very bottom. Then use the switcher next to System Haptics to turn on or off haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!